Hi, welcome back. Continuing to work on the YUZHEN Fairyland. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe not. Sounds good to me. Last time we worked on this little bench complete with a material cushioned seating in it and little pillows. It got super cute. And this time we're going to work on this tea table. First we need to get our parts. Out of bag H, we need H12, H13, and H14. And they are these yellow pieces. This is H12, H14, H13, H14. There's two 14s. Next we need bag N, and those are these 5 black beads I have over here. So we'll set those there. Plus we need one of the gold beaded end cap. So we need that. Plus we need this little white flat bead right here. And we need M11 at 0.8 centimeters. Well, I've got a few here. How many of those do we need? Just one, I think. 8 centimeters. This is more than enough. 0.8 centimeters. And we need A26 5-1 and A26 5-2. So I believe that's going to be some of our printed things. I'm going to put all these loose patterns inside here. And we need A26. I believe it's on this single loose smaller sheet. A26 5-1 and 5-2. Here is A26 5-1 and A26 5-2. So here's our last two pieces we need. First we want H12 and H14, which is the legs, and there's little leggies sticking out on here. We want to glue that on there, and then H13 goes between, and the other H14 goes down along the other side. Make sure you've got your little legs sticking up in the air. So they do not have this H13 flush with the bottom of 14. It's kind of up in a little bit. But do what works for you. Just make sure your sides are flush. So that looks pretty good. Next, we want to take A26, and this is like a little cloth thing. So we probably kind of want to get a little bend in it. And it doesn't have to be even. Mine sure isn't. Just put a little glue in there. And then this is to be a book. And this is the book cover. So this definitely will fold here and here to make the book cover. And everything else will fold in to that. And we just want to put a little bit of glue inside along the cover to hold the pages in place. The best thing to do would be to take the back cover or the back page and secure it against the cover, and then just push on the other pages to glue them to the spine. And there we have a little book. And then we take our little bead and our little gold end cap and glue that on top. This is our teapot. And take one of our little black beads and glue that on top. And I guess the other 4 black beads are supposed to be like cups, because it says put book, teapot, and cups on the coffee table. So I'm going to try to pick out the cutest ones for the cups. That makes sense. None of them are like the same size. They're all different shapes and sizes, which is funny. Here's 3 that kind of look the same and 3 others that kind of look the same. I guess I'll use those 4. And then this one here for the top of the teapot. And then we want to take our piece here. We want a 3mm piece and then a 0.5 centimeters, which is 5mm, and then bend it like that. So first we want a 3mm piece, which is very small, right there-ish. Yeah. That's just barely 3. And they do have like the one end of it cut on an angle, which mine turned out to be that way, which is great. And then we want to use a 0.5 centimeters, which is 5mm, which is right there. I'm going to mark it. That's 5mm right here. So this is our little teapot spout. And it's already, mine got cut on an angle, which is perfect. We're going to glue that to the side. And then we need to bend this and make a handle. And they want it sticking out 3 centimeters, but also with a 3 or millimeter and 3 millimeter gap. And now we can glue everything on. And there we have it. Our little tea table. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.